Katie Kits, January, start now. My hair is so long. I gotta buzz it again. One moment. Okay, I'm back. I normally go down to a 4, but it's cold outside and showing scalp isn't a great idea. This hoe does get cold. I'm getting started on this month's Katie Kits. The theme is smile. And I hopped on a live on Monday, had a really great chat with folks about the theme and kind of brainstorming. Lugnall, who's a person on YouTube, had a suggestion for the postcard that I 100% was into, and so Lugnall gets credit on that postcard, which is very cool. Up until this point, I have gotten zines printed, I have the stickers are in the mail, the postcards came in, and now I get to do the prints. I'm gonna do a really cool technique that I saw on the internet, utilizing a few different colors and pulling the paint down the piece of paper to create this kind of like mixed smear look, which I thought was really cool. I specifically chose these colors because they all appear in a photo of me from when I was in kindergarten, and I did a tap dance to the song I Want to Be Happy, and I was dressed like a little clown. I'm going to insert the photo here. Every time I see that photo of me, it makes me smile. I wanted to utilize that image in a more abstract way to fulfill the theme of smile. Hopefully, if you get a Katie Kit and you get one of these prints and you see the colors, it makes you smile. Getting a COVID test. I'm getting a COVID test. Gonna get a COVID test. Getting a COVID test. I'm getting ready to go live on YouTube to finish up with the zines. I got them all cut when they were printed, so they're good to go in that way. I just need to fold them and staple them. Well, assemble them and then staple them and fold them and then staple them, whatever. I thoroughly enjoy going live, so I'm gonna go live, staple them, answer some questions, ask some questions, chat with folks, and I'm very excited. So let's go live. I just got done with the live on YouTube. I had so much fun, and I got some orders during the live, which was delightful because I think I've explained before that Shopify, when you get an order, the app goes cha-ching. So my iPad cha-ching during the live twice. I'm going to pack those right now, and I'm going to use my, oh, that was bad, my Rollo. Thanks, Grandma. This was my Christmas present, a label printer. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, we've got a booklet with an alcohol pad. This might be more intense than I thought it was gonna be. Video setup. Oh, I gotta watch a video. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna set this up and then I'll be back. So I think I did it. We're gonna check. Create shipping label. This is for Brian's order. Brian was with me on the live stream. He's fantastic. We got print shipping order. Okay, we got the purple bubble mailer. We got the weight. So we're gonna buy one shipping label. It's purchasing. See, this is where I have to, okay, print the shipping label. Now I have to make sure that I print from, nope. That was incorrect. Let's try 100 by, let's try what it originally was put at. Nope, also not. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna say print using system dialog, right? That's where they give you all the options. Here we go. Okay, 4x6 is the layout. Portrait. Oh gosh, I'm probably gonna have to do this again. Oh, for sake. Let's see. Nope, it's sideways. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Print using system dialog. We're gonna go 4x6. and we're gonna go landscape, and we're gonna try again. Print. Okay, also not correct. Oh boy, this is gonna be not great. Let's try again. Well, that's not right. So there's gotta be something that I am not doing correctly. Oh, okay. Change format. Here we go, 4x6 thermal. Hiya! This looks more like what I'm talking about. Print. Success! Success! Oh, bless this system. I am getting ready to assemble all of the kitty kits since I just got the prints back. I have to cut the prints. I have to package everything into its individual baggies and just pretty much get everything ready to go because I want to be able to ship. Lola, do you have to eat right now? She's so loud. I think I ate too many cookies. So Kitty Kits launched on the 1st. It is now the 4th, I believe. Apologies. The people who live above me are walking up the stairs like big dinosaurs. Kitty Kits are live. I only have 2 more left in stock, so this is pretty kooky. They sold out super fast this time around, which is very rad. I have 1 more order to pack up for today, and then I am heading to the post office with my packages. Thought I'd give you a look at the Kitty Kit if you're interested. This is the print on this side that is based on a photo of me from my first dance recital, which I will insert here. It's an abstract print and I love it. It's a little square, super fun. We've got a little note from me to you. Oh, just like cute, sweet thing to you guys. The zine is in here. The Dumb Joke zine. I'm holding it upside down. And then there's a postcard, and then behind this is the sticker, which is taped to this flat pack so that it doesn't get bendy. This month's kit to me is like just colorful and full of joy. I start winter intersession at Santa Monica College today, which I'm super excited about because I'm taking a color theory class because I love color. Also, I wanted to ask you guys, maybe you can comment below what you'd be interested in seeing in my shop, because as I've now have 2 months of Kitty Kits under my belt, I'm looking to add things to the store that are just evergreen. I want to see what you guys would be interested in, if it's sticker packs, if it's prints. Yeah, so let me know. I'm just real happy, you guys. Month 2 in the books.